Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Lakwat Sirong Butiki. Pasensya na guys, medyo natagalan po akong nakapag-post ulit dito. Nabisi lang po konti. Mula doon sa makasaysayang simbahan ng Lumban, Laguna, ang San Sebastian Parish Church o mas tanyag sa tawag na Lumban Church. Nakatawid na ang Butiki ngayon dito sa makasaysayan rin na simbahan ng Porac, Pampanga, ang Santa Catalina de Alejandria Parish Church o mas kilala rin sa pangalan na Porac Church. Samahan niyo ko dito guys! The municipality of Porac is a first-class municipality in the province of Pampanga. According to the 2020 census, it has a population of 140,751 people. Porac is the largest town in Pampanga. It was once among the largest municipalities in the archipelago before it was divided into separate municipalities. Porac is 26 kilometers west from the provincial capital, San Fernando, south of Angeles City, and north of Florida Blanca. A portion of Mount Pinatubo is in the municipality. Porac has a hilly to mountainous terrain in the majority of its plains. Most rivers, if not all, are heavily silted by mud flow due to the eruption of Mount Pinatubo and succeeding lahar flows. Tourist spots include the Rabulbol Falls in Halong, Mayamit Falls in Sapang Uwak, and the hot springs in Sitio Puning, access through Sapang Bato in Angeles. Babu Pangulo offers a view of Porac and Mount Negron. The Santa Catalina de Alejandria Parish Church, also known as the Porac Church, is a 19th century Baroque Roman Catholic church located at Barangay Poblacion, Porac, Pampanga. The parish church is currently under the ecclesiastical province of the Roman Catholic Archdiocese of San Fernando. As early as 1594, Porac have had an established convent with the right to vote in the provincial meetings. Despite this, services done by the convent of Porac had been either suspended or annexed to other convents like Lubao and Bacolor, possibly due to lack of resources and or attacks from the Sambals, an indigenous group living in the areas near the Zambales mountain ranges. Documents, however, give hints to possible construction periods in Porac. In 1710 and 1722, the convent was relieved from paying its rent to the San Agustin Monastery in Manila. On September 31, 1734, the convent received permission from the provincial fathers to use the funds of the convent to build a church. The first masonry church of Porac may have been finished around this time, with Fathers Manuel Obregon and Nicolas Mornier responsible for its construction. The 18th century church may have sustained severe damages from the 1863 earthquake because, according to records, Father Isidro Bernardo laid the foundations of a new stone church sometime in 1872 and was characterized as having 3 naves and 1 transept. The said structure was renovated a couple of times since its erection by Father Esteban Ibias, parish priest of Santa Rita, in 1877, and in 1880 by Father Gallo de la Galle. In recent years, much renovations have been executed on the church. Especially notable of these are the new naves and transept, which no longer bears any trace of original stone used in the 19th century. The church and the convent were heavily damaged during World War II. Father Daniel Castrello, the last Augustinian priest of the parish, had the church reinforced with concrete, made other restorations, and rebuilt the convent in the 1980s. The nave and transept of the church were turned down to make the more spacious church seen today. The church measures 171 feet long, 39 feet wide, and 30 feet high. The facade is simple, adorned only by Corinthian columns of its first and second levels, iron grills on the windows, the Augustinian emblem on the triangular pediment, and rectangular pilasters. The main focal point of the facade is the rose window bearing an image of Saint Catherine of Alexandria rendered on stained glass. Attached to the left of the church is a slender 4-story octagonal bell tower. On April 22, 2019, a 6.1 magnitude earthquake struck the island of Luzon in the Philippines, leaving at least 18 dead, 3 missing, and injuring at least 256 others. Despite of the epicenter was in Zambales, most of the damage to infrastructure occurred in the neighboring province of Pampanga, which suffered damage to 29 buildings and structures including churches. During the 2019 Luzon earthquake, the church suffered heavy damage when rubble from the bell tower fell on the nave of the church. Only the ground level of the 4-story bell tower is left standing. Mula naman dito sa Santa Catalina de Alejandria Parish Church, dito sa Purac, Pampanga, tatawid naman ang butiki papuntang Arayat, Pampanga. Isang makasaysayang simbahan rin ang tutumbukin ko doon, ang St. Catherine of Alexandria Parish Church, o mas kilala rin sa tawag na Arayat Church. Abangan nyo ko doon, guys! Bye-bye!